Man, this feels so weird. It's so strange, like being back here. I also don't know where to look, and I know that I should be looking up there, so hello to your faces. This feels really strange. It feels strange to be sitting here talking in front of a camera, and I should probably check that the microphone's on because I haven't done any of this stuff for pretty much 3 months to this exact date, so there's been no content creation from me, and it's pretty much been radio silence. So I apologise for that if I've missed your messages, emails, comments, anything like that. just choking there. Over the next few days, sorry, I'll be trying to just catch up on all of those things and just trying to get back into the whole swing of doing YouTube and doing content creation, but to the level where I enjoy it. I'll fit it in around my family, and it won't be a job, it'll be a hobby, it'll be something that I enjoy doing and something that I'm passionate about, because that's how I started with everything YouTube and just doing things that I enjoy. So we're gonna take a step back and go back to basics. I also want to say a massive thank you to anyone that sent me a message, whether it be Patreon, Facebook, Twitter. And if you're not following me on those places, go and go and follow me. But yeah, anyone that has sent me a message, just checking in to see how I am. I am doing really well, and as I said, I've been away for family stuff, but I'm going to be back now. But yeah, I really appreciate it. I appreciate you checking in on me. It's thank you. Okay, that's the thank yous out the way. What about the things that I've actually been doing? What have I been doing in my time away? Well, although I have been away, I've actually still been doing all things Home Assistant. So I've actually been in all of the creator meetings with Paulus and the gang. So I've stayed right up on top of all of the things that are happening in the whole Home Assistant world. There's been some great updates for the last few updates that have gone out. The new year of the voice stuff, all of that is just amazing. And yes, I will have some tutorials on those. So if you are interested in some of those and seeing me do some of those things are definitely going to happen, because yeah, local voice control is just really cool.
Okay, Al. Turn off the office lights.
Turned off lights.
If we're staying on topic of Home Assistant, then 2023.11 has also just dropped, and again this update is full of lots of great new features, so be sure to check that out. If you're actually watching this at the time that this video goes out, roughly, if I actually get it out on the day, then the Home Assistant release party will probably be in a couple of hours, so be sure to tune into that and you'll get to see the guys run through all of the new features in lots of detail. Which I guess then brings us back to me and some of the other things that I've been doing. So moving away from the Home Assistant updates and all things Home Assistant, I've actually picked myself up a couple of different 3D printers, and I've just been playing around with those, learning 3D modeling, and I've been testing out a whole range of different printing filaments and creating lots of weird and wonderful designs. Lots of toys for the kids, lots of smart home based mounts, products and other things, which I may again bring to tutorials and things like that in the future. So lots of 3D printing stuff. And I'm by no means a 3D printing expert, but if you happen to be a 3D printing expert, or you've got a lot of experience with using them, or maybe you've just got some good tips, tricks and advice, then stick them in the comments below and I'll happily read them and hopefully pick up a thing or two. Some of the non-3D printing things that I've been doing are just playing around with lots of new smart home products. I've been testing out a bunch of different Matter products. I've been testing out some things like flying action cameras, VR headsets, repairing some robot lawnmower cables that Casper delightfully chewed through. And just a whole bunch more 3D printing. I think you can probably tell that I'm enjoying 3D printers. So there we go, that's me, I'm back. I'm going to be back to content creation and making the tutorials and all of those other good things. If there's a previous tutorial that I've done or a previous video that I've done that's now out of date and you want to see it maybe freshened up a little bit, then do let me know what it is in the comments below, and there is a very good chance that I'm going to come back to it and just freshen it up for you. Something else that's going to be new that I'm going to be doing is TikTok, which is a strange one, but let me explain. A couple of weeks back, I actually found that somebody had created a fake TikTok account of MarkWattTech, and basically they were doing fake giveaways and all of that stuff. So that account's been gone, and I've now claimed the MarkWattTech space. So if you were a TikTok person, then be sure to follow me over there. And there's going to be some behind the scenes things with this video and lots of other videos, and it's just another platform I'm going to target and push. So follow me over there. And of course, we can't talk about follow me in places and not mention YouTube. So I'm now almost at 50,000 subscribers, which is crazy. And I think we're like 4,000 off, so it'd be an amazing milestone if I can somehow smash out 4,000 subscribers across the next couple of months and just reach that by the end of the year. So if you've got any friends or brothers and sisters or cousins or grannies, aunties, uncles, dogs, cats, any of those things that have got YouTube and want to subscribe or would be interested in smart home tech and other tutorials, then be sure to point them in this direction and let's try and hit 50k by the end of the year. Thank you for watching, and I most certainly will catch you in the next one. Cheers.